So what if we have the following data? We have capital letters, multiple spaces, not a formal type of data. What we can do is we can use Excel to make it more proper for us. So we will use the formula proper. As you can see, that will be a first capital letter, and then you double click this green bar and we have this. So all of them are in capital letters. The first letter of the word will be capitalized. But what if we want to take off all those unnecessary spaces? So to do that, we will use the word trim. And then, close parenthesis, we enter it. It's not obvious in the first cell, but let's double click the green cell here, and then we have a more and a trimmed version of our old data. Let's hide this one. Let's do the same thing on the segment part. So let's insert a column, write the word proper, parenthesis, the word trim, parenthesis, and the cell that we want to trim and proper. So we select enter, click the green box, and we have now a proper and a trim version of our data. But what if we want a uppercase? So all capitalized letters, so we use the word upper. To copy that, double click the green box, and we now have all capitalized letters. Now what if we want all lowercase? So to do that, let's click lower, write the word lower, and then enter. So double click this box again, the green box, and we have now all lowercase. So what about currency? So we click here in the general part, we'll select currency. But I have peso here, so we change it by clicking the money part here and we select dollars. And that's how we write in currency values. What if you have blank spaces? What you can do is go to special, select blanks, and then it will highlight the blank parts. If you want to write the word missing, so let's write the word missing, press Control Enter or Command Enter. So we have that all blanks with missing. Now what if you want to replace a word? You can go to the word replace, find what word. Let's say I will replace the word missing replace it with not applicable. And then after that, I'll just click replace all. I have two replaced, and then close. And that is the basic way of cleaning data.